Hello and welcome back to my channel Train with Brain Surgeon. Here we revise daily 2 MCQs in less than 2 minutes, and today I have a bonus MCQ for you. Before getting started, myself Dr. Dhruv, a neurosurgeon and a passionate PG teacher. I can simplify my PG journey in form of being a not qualified student to All India rank of 75. So let's get started. Today's topic is going to be on solutions. So crystalloids, colloids, hypo, hyper, isotonic, what are all this? We're going to simplify with the help of 3 MCQs. So first question, which of the following is a isotonic solution? So just remember, isotonic means equivalent to plasma, and the normal range is between 275 to 295 milliosmoles. So any solutions which have tonicity in this range will be considered as isotonic, and 3 rules, 3 solutions. So first, isotonic, 3 classical examples will be: first, Ringer lactate or Hartmann solution; second, 0.9% normal saline; and third is 5% dextrose in water. These are the classical examples of isotonic solution, and the answer of this question will be Ringer lactate or Hartmann solution. Now second rule, any solution with concentration less than 0.9% will be hypotonic. So half normal saline or any normal saline less than 0.9% will be hypotonic. And third and most important rule, hypertonic. So any normal saline more than 0.9% will be hypertonic. Also 5% dextrose in combination with any NS, whether it be 0.45 or 0.9, but if it is combined with 5% dextrose, that will be coming as hypertonic solution. So let's see our second question. So the answer to this question will be 3% normal saline. And the last important question coming up, so 10% dextrose is what type of solution? Now let's revise our rules. So any solution of dextrose more than 5% or any solution of dextrose more than 5% in combination with a normal saline will be hypertonic. So the answer to this question will be 10% dextrose is a hypertonic solution. So let's revise. Hypotonic, isotonic, hypertonic are all subdivisions of crystalloids, and crystalloids have size of particles less than 1 nanometer. So what is colloids? They have larger particle size, and that's why they cannot cross any membranes. And what are the 4 classical examples? Dextran, albumin, Hemacell and HES. So this is a bonus point as well as a table to revise difference between crystalloids and colloids. A gentle request, if these videos are helping you, please do like, share and subscribe with your friends. Thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned.